By now you should be comfortable conjugating verbs in the passive voice. So we can say in Greek now, instead of I sent the soldiers, we can say the soldiers are sent by me. Or actually, up till now, all you can really say is the soldiers are sent. Right? Our accusative has become our nominative. We've changed the verb. But what do we do with this subject? What do we do with the I? It certainly can't become an accusative. It's not a direct object. In Greek, what we're going to use is the genitive of agent. So if you see a passive voice verb, what you want to do is ask, is there a genitive of agent? Is there someone doing it? And the genitive of agent is going to be obviously in the genitive case, but we're going to use the preposition hupo plus the genitive. So let's take a look at a few examples of these genitives of agent. So remember, hupo plus the genitive. So blaptomai, I am being harmed. Hupo, and the question would be is, I'm being harmed by whom? Hupo to strategu, by the general. So hupo, there's a general, by the general. Or another example, eleuthomata, we were freed. Who were we freed by? Hupo to patros, by our father. So in an active voice, this genitive of agent, that would be your nominative, that would be your subject. But in a passive voice, if your verb is in the passive voice, the genitive is going to be used with hupo to tell you by whom, who did the action. Now, this should be distinguished from the dative of means. The genitive of agent tells you who, or by whom, but the dative of means tells you by what. So here, blaptatai luthos, he is being harmed by stones. So it's not by, we could say by the enemy, hupo ton polemion, by the enemy, by stones. But the stones here, the dative, that's showing us the tool, the dative of means or instrument. So keep both of these, the genitive of agent and the dative of means, in your arsenal of tools, grammatical tools. And if you see a passive voice verb and a hupo, know that's probably going to be a genitive of agent.